Hey guys, thank you for joining in. This is going to be a real quick get ready with me video. I have somewhere to be, so I'm moving real fast. I'm doing a real simple, natural look today. I'm really not into makeup. I really don't know how to do makeup all too well. I'm not a makeup guru or anything like that. This is pretty much my everyday look, or I would say when I choose to do my face look. I just like a real natural look, no color. I'm not into color. And that's just it. Stay tuned, trust the process, and get ready with me. Let's talk some shit and get on the move. So I know y'all like, why is this girl using these big ass scissors to cut her eyebrows? But y'all, my eyebrows grow so long. I have to cut them down with scissors, and I can't find them little cute eyebrow scissors that you get in those little, those little packs that come with the eyebrow, them little eyebrow kits. I usually get scissors in those packs, but I always lose them too. So you gotta use what you got, you know what I'm saying? You gotta compromise. But I use coconut oil on my face. I like to use that as my primer and my moisturizer. It's just better. It's natural. Okay, so I use pencil to do my eyebrows. I know a lot of people use eyebrow gel, and eyeshadow is trending now, like black shadow to do your eyebrows. That's like a thing now, but I don't know. I can't get with nothing else. I can't do my eyebrows with a brush. I have to do with the pencil, and I have to sharpen the pencil every time I do it. Like, that's just my thing. I can get them better this way. Like, when I try doing my eyebrows with brow gel and stuff like that, it just doesn't work out for me, and it looks like a hot mess. So I stick with the pencil. I stick with what I know, especially when you're in a rush and you're trying to get shit done. Baby, I don't have time to play with this brush with the eyebrow pencil. That's just it. That's that on that. Like, let's get it with these eyebrows. I don't have time. And it took me long enough to learn how to do my eyebrows. Like, I am so not into makeup. I am a hairstylist, and makeup is far from my thing. Like, it took me some months to learn how to get these eyebrows the way I like them. Both of them identical, all of that. So, let me get this pencil. Okay, so right here I'm using the Maybelline Concealer Matte Collection. And I'm going to insert a picture right here. Just using it to clean up everything. Y'all, I use my fingers a lot. Here I go with these fingers, like, for real. I just feel like my fingers are like the finishing touch. They clean up everything real fine, but I wash my hands before I do my face, so I'm not putting any germs or anything on my face. So, yeah. You be making having some ugly ass faces when you doing your makeup. Like, you be having to get in there, like, ugh, monkey faces, all type of faces. Like, can you put your mascara on without having your mouth open? How many of y'all can put y'all mascara on without opening your mouth? Like, your mouth has to be closed. It's crazy. Or powder or concealer under your eye. Like, look at me. Ooh, ooh, it's coming together real quick. Okay, I don't know why I didn't show you guys what powder I'm using, but I'm using powder from MAC. I'm gonna insert a picture here. Yeah, it's my favorite powder. Quick, on the go, not too much blending because it's not a liquid form. I'm just moving, baby. Okay. I just can't get it together. Like, come on now, this ring light is super bright, and it really like blocks and blurs out all the words that I'm trying to show you guys, anything I'm trying to show you guys. But this is the eyeshadow I'm using. Okay, so like I said in the beginning of this video, I don't like colors on my face. I'm not too big. Don't get me wrong, y'all be looking bomb. Like, when I be seeing pictures and I watch tutorials on YouTube, I be like, yes, girl, you go with your purple eyeshadow, you go with your green and pink eyeshadow. But me, I can't do it. No, I need something real subtle, like, you know, real neutral, a little bit of glitter, just a little pop. I'm staying with the browns, light brown, dark brown, nothing too major. I just like a real natural quick look. Like I said, I'm not too into makeup, but y'all be bomb when y'all do y'all stuff. But me, I'm cool. I'm bomb with this. Yeah. Yeah, so now I gotta fix that little corner of that eyelash. The strip is falling off a little bit, and we ain't got time to take the whole strip off and redo it. So what you do is you take the back of your tweezers, dip it in the glue, put a little dab on the edge, wait for a second so it can dry, and then you go ahead and stick it on down. Period. You don't have time to pull off the whole lash. This is a rush get ready with me. Okay, now spray, spray, spray. Finish that face off so it can oxidize and look right. Now time to do my hair real quickly. Now time to clean up this makeup mess first, because I'm about to make a hair mess. You know how it is when you do your face. You got makeup everywhere, pencils everywhere, sharpener, concealer all over the place, brushes. I don't even have that much stuff because I don't never do a full face, but the little stuff I do have be everywhere. So you gotta get that up, because now I'm about to have my edge stick, brush, comb, hot comb, all that everywhere. So yeah. I keep looking that way and looking up because I was watching Kylie Jenner and her sister do a drunk get ready with me. Like, they were doing that makeup drunk on YouTube, so I was watching that on my tablet for entertainment. I like entertainment while I'm doing something. Okay, this is that same wig from Love Me Hair that I did a review on last week. I'm gonna tag the video down below. Watch that, how I laid this lace. Look at that lace. Look at that hair. I will say this hair is a little shitty, just a little bit, not too much. Only really when I leave it in a ponytail too long and I take my ponytail out and go to brush it, a lot of hair comes out. Well, a good amount. But other than that, I mess with them. I like their hair, I like their wigs. They lace is flawless. I'm messing with it. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, see, that's why you don't rush. You can't get it together. You be rushing everything. Look, get it together, Kim. Get it together. When you rush, you know, that's when you mess up more. It's crazy. But yeah, we got it to work. Let's go. This tool I'm using, it's an electric Marcel. So it's a Marcel curling iron that you don't need the stove for. I actually got it when I was enrolled in cosmetology school. It gets real hot. I love it. You can use it as a wand. You can use it as a curling iron. I use it to flatten out my top. It's definitely way better than your electric comb. The electric hot combs ain't shit. You really need a stove hot comb because they don't get hot at all. Yeah, go back in, sis, because that wasn't it. That wasn't it either. Okay, get it together. Right, sit right. Now you just wasted time. Okay, get it together. That's it. know, for them glows when you hit them certain angles. Need to get that glow going under the brow. Highlight, no contour, that's it. I don't got time for contour, let's go. I don't got time to make no 3 on the side of my face. I gotta add this highlight and get on going. I already spent too much time trying to curl my curls. I done dropped y'all. Excuse me. Let me get y'all right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this quick lip. A little dark brown, not even dark brown, I'm sorry, a light brown shade. Like cappuccino or something like that. Around the outer of my lip. Y'all know I don't like too much color, so I definitely won't be doing a red lip. Something real nice and new. Stay tuned. Yes, that NYX butter gloss, that NYX butter gloss, whatever you want to call it, is everything. That's my favorite. They got all the new colors.
We supposed to be the no stress in the world of stress. The one relaxation.